Hello, and as we say in Wales, it's never lupus. Today's subject is one very close to my heart because I am a boring, self-involved recluse. The word is tea. Yes, it's sunny and bright outside, but why would I ever want to leave my tea? Tea means house, and that's easy to remember because even the word has a little roof on it. Tŷ mawr is a big house, tŷ canolog is like a middling house, and tŷ bach is a toilet. Now I understand that in other countries you've got your bathroom and your toilet inside your main house, but if you stop to think about that, that's disgusting. It's the 21st century. We know how germs work. If you were going to bust out the Burgundy boys indoors, then it doesn't matter how much you're going to flush that toilet, those toxins are going to climb out and they're going to get into your toothbrush, into your larder and onto your remote controls. No, you cannot let that happen. That's why in Wales we have a tŷ bach, a little house outside of the house where you can set free the copper flow or expunge the bum gunge. This is where the rhyme tŷ bach tut comes from. The verse goes like this. Mae gen I tipyn o tŷ bach tut, o tŷ bach tut, o tŷ bach tut. Mae gen I tipyn o tŷ bach tut, a gwynt i'r drws pob bore. Haidi ho di haidi ho, a gwynt i'r drws pob bore. What's that mean? What's that mean? What's that mean? I got a bit of a tidy little house, a tidy little house, a tidy little house. I've got a bit of a tidy little house, and the wind blows at the door every morning. Heidi ho di heidi ho, the wind blows at the door every morning. It's a song expounding the joys about keeping regular. I'm in such a posh housing situation at the moment that we've got two separate tŷ bach. Number 1 is for number 2s and number 2 is for number 1s. And that is how we stay disease free. So next time you wake up and go for your morning processes in the tŷ bach, well, it's not really a tŷ bach, is it? It's a room inside your actual tea. Spare a thought for the people that you live with who are now being poisoned by your heidi hos. And you be sorry, and you stop. Fideos newydd pob dydd Mawrth a dydd Gwener, tan ysgrifwch ac atebwch y cwestiwn canlynol. How many people do you think believe my lies about outside toilets still being the norm in Wales? Let me know if you believe me and feel betrayed, and I will apologise to every person individually. The tŷ bach tut song is real though. I don't know if it's meant to be about toilets, but you never can tell with these old songs. They're usually about sex or poo. Close it up, shit Joes.